The OnePlus 15 brought some serious performance upgrades over the OnePlus 13, with the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 and a much bigger battery. But let's be real, OnePlus made a few compromises on the camera side, using smaller sensors and even dropping Hasselblad color tuning. Now it looks like OnePlus is ready to fix that with the next-gen flagship, expected to be the OnePlus 16, and the camera upgrades could be huge. So here's what we know. The OnePlus 15 used a scaled-down camera setup with a smaller primary sensor and a smaller telephoto lens. But according to earlier leaks from Digital Chat Station, OnePlus is planning to bring a 200-megapixel camera sensor to the OnePlus 16. At the time, it wasn't clear whether that would be for the main camera or the zoom lens. A new leak from OnePlus Club on X clears that up. The OnePlus 16 is now tipped to get a 200-megapixel telephoto camera with a much larger 1/1.56-inch sensor. For context, the OnePlus 15's telephoto camera uses a 50-megapixel 1/2.76-inch sensor, so this would be a massive jump in sensor size and detail. Bigger sensor plus more megapixels usually means better zoom shots, better low-light performance, and more flexibility for cropping. There's more. The OnePlus 16 could also bring in a telephoto macro mode, similar to what we've seen on phones like the Oppo Find X9 series. That would mean you could take close-up shots using the zoom lens, which is actually really useful for detail shots and product photography. And the upgrades don't stop at the camera. Battery life could get another big boost, with leaks pointing to a 9,000 mAh battery, up from the already massive 7,300 mAh on the OnePlus 15. The display refresh rate is also rumored to go beyond 200 Hz, which sounds impressive, even if most people won't fully benefit from refresh rates that high in everyday use. Under the hood, the OnePlus 16 is expected to use Qualcomm's next-gen flagship chip. Apparently, there will be two versions, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 6 and a more powerful Gen 6 Pro variant. It's still unclear which one OnePlus will go with, but either way, performance should be top tier. So if these leaks hold up, the OnePlus 16 could finally bring together big performance, massive battery life, and a serious camera upgrade, especially on the telephoto side, which OnePlus phones have lagged behind on for a while. What do you think? Would a 200-megapixel Periscope telephoto and a 9,000 mAh battery be enough to pull you back to OnePlus? Let me know in the comments.